3, 2, 1, start. Sir, with a view to earning more and more foreign exchange, our government are exporting more and more coffee. With that object in view, they have closed almost all coffee houses in India. Now we have neither the home nor the external market for our coffee. The prices obtaining in the external market are lower than the price obtaining in India. This is the situation. In this connection, I should like to say that the Coffee Board marketing policy is not sound and is not appreciated, and the board requires efficient elected representatives of coffee growers to give sound advice and chalk out sound policy to help this industry. Till now, from top to bottom, all are being nominated except representatives of growers. They have introduced the nomination system which is against the principles of democracy. What harm is there in continuing the right of franchise so far given to the planning community to elect their representatives? I do not know who gave this sound advice to the Ministry of Commerce and Industry. Sir, even the Coffee Board, when they came to know that this bill would be moved in Parliament, passed a resolution opposing the bill. There are a number of nominated members who oppose this bill. I was a member of the Coffee Board then. When rumors spread that this kind of amending bill would be brought forward before Parliament, they passed a resolution opposing this. Therefore, sir, in this age of democracy, when we are giving more and more powers to the people, why not have elected representatives for the Coffee Board? We used to elect our chairman formerly, and he had a right of appointing labor representatives, etc. Now the center wants to take away all powers and they want to carry on the administration. Should they not like to get the cooperation of the planters, growers, consumers, traders, and others? Why should they have the nomination system? I cannot understand. I request the Honorable Minister to consider this case and see to it that the system of election of the representatives of big growers is retained and the planting community is not deprived of their right to franchise which they have exercised so far. Till now, the administration has been carried on very smoothly. It was going on very efficiently. The present chairman is a nice gentleman. He is taking a lot of interest. I propose even the chairman should be elected as a matter of course by the members of the Coffee Board. I request the Honorable Minister kindly to see that the Coffee Board is given the right to elect its own chairman. Stop. Thank you.